but a little. Look at the Louis Vuitton line. Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing wonderful today. And if you are new here, consider subscribing, because in this channel you can find unboxing, hauls, product reviews, home decor and more. In today's video I want to share with you my unboxing from Hermès, and this is about the Hermès CLIC H bracelet. I'm gonna show you some more shots. I'm gonna give you my first impression, and you guys gonna see right here with me what this beautiful piece look like. I went to the store and looking for this piece. I tried there a few of them and I find out the size that is good for me, so it is great to go to the store before purchasing any of these. And they didn't have the color that I want. They had to order it and send it to me. I'm glad that I went there, because in that way I know exactly my size, and I tried different designs, like the other one that is the leather one, and I tried the CLIC H bracelet, and I'm different size for each one. So I'm glad that I went to the store. In that way I can just call my CA and request the one. She already know my size, so it is great to go at the store and try the size first. So this is the pack that they sent me, because you know they send it by mail. So it come like this. It was very tight, and then we had this box right here. You can see. Let me open it. So it's like that. Ooh. It comes this beautiful box right here. So like you guys could see in the boxing, we talking about this beautiful Hermès CLIC H bracelet. Look at this beauty. Of course, it have in the inside here it say made in France. PM is the size, which is PM and GM, and PM is the small one. And it have a sticker that say CLIC H Blanc. It's the number right there. I can see right there. Okay, and this is enamel, which is a kind of like a very delicate glass. This is a narrow bracelet in enamel with plated gold hardware, which that's the amazing part. That means the plated gold hardware mean that have a very thin layer of gold, and is not too easy to tarnish it like other regular jewelry. So of course you have to take care of it, and it could be possible that it get damaged or tarnished, but they will take care of that. But it's definitely a very thumbs up on this one. It's amazing. You can see it have here the little plastic. Over here it have a plastic too, which I saw other videos. It look pretty matte. I saw the video that people usually don't remove that. And I got the size 7mm with 0.47 wide, because I think this will look more simple, more classy, more dressing. You can use it for everything, of course, but I think for me, especially that I have very thin arm, skinny arm, this will look perfect. Let me try on. I've been using this. I have it for a long time. This is gold, so I have it for a long time. It have a click there, but it's not about this. Let me take it off so I can put this one on. So you just press it together and then remove. See, let me see. Press it and move this part up, which is the little clip there. It move away, and then open it, and then do the same thing. Press it down, and then close it. This is what it look. I'm not taking the edge. Oh my gosh, I think it looks stunning. It looks so pretty, so simple. I decided to get in white because so far it can go with anything, any time of the year. So once I got this, I saw in there the red one, I fell in love with. So now my wish list, it would be the red one and the black one. Also a little detail, I don't know how, a little detail, so don't go completely by what I'm saying. Try to you know, like research more about it, find out in other ways you can. But I hear that they are kind of like maybe discontinue, or probably having less of this. So the point is that it's going to be harder and harder, more difficult to find like solid colors like white, black, blue, all those colors, because they coming with a new design, which is like this, but we all design around here, which I don't like it too much. So I really wanted one in red and one in black before it's hard to get it. It look perfect. I just love it. And now you can actually stack it with others jewelry. So I really love it. Yeah, the CA confirmed that it was better for me to go to the store and try it on. In that way she was able to see exactly my size, because it's other now that I'm interested. Every time that I can get one, I just tell her and she able to find me the one I need, because she already know my size. So this one is so beautiful. My first impression of this is just, this is amazing, beautiful, so beautiful. Of course the best thing is a gold plated, which it make even better. Of course, good quality, it looks amazing. I just love it. I hope I can find a red one and a black one my size on time before it's hard to get in the store, because like I say, they won't be making any more like this. They're gonna start making one just like these ones, different design all around, and like I say, I'm not a fan of them. This is all, guys. I hope you guys have fun in this video and enjoy this unboxing. Remember to smile because you are beautiful. Share, subscribe, comment in this video. Click that little bell down below so you'll be notified for future videos. And I hope you guys having a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.